We're very excited with the possibility of AI to help our clients improve their reporting process. So being able to compare, being able to find potential improvements with their documents, the process that they use to create these reports, such as a 10K or a 10Q or a proxy, requires lots of information, lots of data, lots of analysis. So if we can give them insights, we can help them find mistakes. We can help them look at how peers in the industry are saying certain things. We can help them redraft maybe what they have to incorporate some of the best practices that other organizations are following. We see an ability to help our clients accelerate their process, make sure that they're correct as possible, and be efficient in getting to that end goal, which is filing with the SEC or presenting, that executive update.